The modern world and its associated habits have numerous impacts on all aspects of our lives. And one of the most perilous consequences is the significant rise in the prevalence of diseases within the average human body, especially when compared to a time when luxuries were scarce. In pursuit of this goal, Allied Medical Limited has been at the forefront since 1982. Welcome to the heart of cutting-edge medical technology in India. Step inside the Allied Medical Factory, the nation's largest and most advanced life-saving manufacturing facility. With a commitment to excellence, Allied Medical leads the way in producing top-quality medical devices that touch millions of lives worldwide. Meet the visionary behind the success story of Allied Medical, Chairman Dr. Vinod Kohli. With a passion for innovation and a deep commitment to improving healthcare, Dr. Kohli, along with his wife, Dr. Anita Kohli, laid the foundation of this remarkable company. Continuing the legacy, their sons, Mr. Akhil Kohli, Technical Director, and Mr. Aditya Kohli, CFO and Sales Director, has brought fresh perspectives and dynamic leadership to the company. Spearheading the research and development together, this exceptional team has redefined the landscape of healthcare solutions, improving patient outcomes and transforming the industry. Our state-of-the-art design and development center, where we leverage 3D printing technology to create initial prototypes. These prototypes undergo rigorous testing before the final product is meticulously implemented to ensure top-notch quality and performance. Equipped with cutting-edge machinery, our machine shop boasts VMC, CNC and advanced bending machines, ensuring precision and efficiency in every process. Step into our assembly lines, where anesthesia machines, ventilators, monitors, and defibrillators are meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards of quality and reliability. To ensure uncompromising performance, every device undergoes rigorous testing and calibration in our specialized calibration area. Quality is our obsession, and our dedicated quality control section leaves no room for error, guaranteeing products that save lives with confidence. Our finished goods store and component store maintain a vast inventory, ensuring timely deliveries and a seamless supply chain. Allied Medical Limited has earned a distinguished reputation as a reliable industry leader, harnessing the forefront of technological advancements. With an extensive array of thoughtfully designed products, including anesthesia machines, workstations, ICU ventilators, consumables, infusion pumps, ECG machines, and more. They showcase India's ambition to excel on the global stage as a reputable exporter. From high-flow devices to emergency resuscitation kits and an ICU range encompassing infant warmers, incubators, and phototherapy equipment. Allied Medical's commitment and passionate individuals from diverse backgrounds brings a unique set of skills and expertise to the table. At Allied Medical Limited, we prioritize this by making significant investments in our research and development infrastructure. This commitment drives us continually improve and meet the demands of our overseas clientele spanning over 40 countries. Our dedication has earned us numerous accolades, including being recognized as the MSME of the Year 22-23 Manufacturing by SHM, awarded the Most Promising Company of the Year in Medical Devices at the 13th MT India Healthcare Awards by Medcare Today, and receiving the Udyog Award for Excellence in Manufacturing of Ventilators by SMTA, Surgical Manufacturers and Traders Association, among many others. Together, we are Allied Medical, united in our pursuit of a healthier world. Allied Medical, empowering lives together.